Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is going to be April favorites. This is a super exciting favorites video because you guys know we just ended the Sephora Springs Savings event and I got a lot of new goodies. Now I haven't had enough time to just really play with all of the products and really just see how I feel about them, but I do have some pretty cool favorites on the list. So first off, you guys, is going to be the Makeup Forever, the new Makeup Forever setting powder or powdered foundation. This is their newest powder foundation, you guys. Now I did the initial review of this powder foundation when it first came out like a month or two ago, but over the past 30 days or so, I've really been using this palette more than ever. I don't know why I hadn't pulled for it sooner. Well, I do know why I hadn't pulled for it sooner, because I'm a liquid foundation person, like skin tint and liquid foundations. I had never just really been a powdered foundation person, but you guys, I had started playing around with this and I've been obsessed. It gives you a beautiful velvety finish to your skin where your skin looks like literal silk. The color I got is absolutely perfect. I wear the color 4R61. It's super easy. I like to do the underpainting technique first and then go over top with this powder and I'm done. Maybe throw a bronzer on and a lip. It's so quick and easy and it's absolutely beautiful. After about a couple of hours, you would never know, maybe after an hour or so, when your natural oils start to show through, you would never know that you don't have a liquid product on your face, you guys. Gorgeous. I highly recommend. Next on the list is the Sephora Micro Brow Pencil. This is Sephora's brand of eyebrow pencil. You guys, I don't know why I hadn't been introduced to this before the VIB sale, but when this sale came this time, I already had in my mind that I was going to be trying some Sephora collection products more than usual because I really wanted to take advantage of that 30% off rather than the 20 that I'd get from my Rouge status. But I got it in the color Soft Charcoal. I enjoyed it so much that I bought a backup before the sale ended. Let me swatch it for you. Just a dark chocolate brown. It's on the cooler side, so that's why I really love it too, because it's not going to give you that reddish tint. It's going to be a cool toned brown, you guys. It's the perfect color. It doesn't look this light. It's deeper than this, but keep in mind my brows are bleached, so it's looking this color. So on you, it's going to be a lot darker than that, like your typical dark brown, but it's so skinny. The tip of it is so skinny, and so that way you can get a really sharp, precise detail with your brows. It goes on clean. It's not creamy, so it doesn't get messy, but it's not so dry that it's hard to, you know, put on or that it tugs on your skin. You guys, this is a really great quality product. I think the regular price is $12. With the sale, I got it around $8, I want to say. You guys, this is everything. I can now say that I have a favorite eyebrow pencil. Next up is two brand new products. These are the new Makeup by Mario Lippies. They're actually called the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Colors. So I got the color Hot Pink and Caramel, and I love both of these colors so much. I've been wearing them non-stop since I bought them from the sale. When they glide on, it almost feels like watery in a sense, like a mix between gloss, but like it's so thin is what I'm trying to say, and it's super comfortable on the lips. Now it is a plumping product, but you don't feel any of the plumping like some of the other plumping lip colors where you feel that sort of minty or burning or tingling sensation. This plumping just means that it's going to smooth out the lip and you won't see any lines. It's just going to fill the lip out and make it look completely even and smooth. It definitely does that. It's gorgeous on the lips. This color Caramel is the color that I didn't know that I needed. It's so beautiful. And then I also picked up the color Hot Pink, which I love this as well. I wear them both with brown liners. The color goes on your lip so even. The pigment is absolutely perfect, y'all. I'm obsessed with these lippies. Next up is the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow Skin Tint, you guys. This absolutely lives up to the hype that I've been hearing all over social media. I'm actually wearing it today. I wear the color Maple. It's supposed to deliver 24 hours of wear. I do have a full review up on my channel, so you can click on that link right there to check it out. But this is really good. It just makes your skin look very smooth and even. It has great coverage to be a skin tint. It has SPF in it. You guys, this is beautiful. With the good primer, you get pretty good wear out of it, but more than anything, I just love the way it looks. It's so flawless. The finish of it is absolutely everything. I don't even have the powder that I have on is just the Laura Mercier translucent powder, so I don't have like a colored powder or anything. So this is what the actual skin tint looks like. I love it. Next up is an iconic product, you guys. This is by no means a new product, but it's very new to me, which is the Hourglass Ambient Light Powder, and I got it in the color Dim Light, you guys. I had this product on my, I think it's like the wish list or what I wanted to get from the sale. It's just a product that I had tried many years ago, many years ago, and at the time that I first tried it, I was really into highlights that were like those super blinding highlights with the just really bright. And this one is just a more understated, just very gives your skin just a natural, healthy looking glow. And that's me now. My makeup has most definitely evolved, and I'm more so into just those very effortless looking highlighters that just gives your skin a subtle glow that just makes your skin look healthy and luminous. So let's put a little bit of this one on here. So you see how it just makes the skin look just very buttery and radiant. Look at that. It just gives you a natural sheen, just a very natural sheen that I am so obsessed with. Another product that I'm just like, oh, why didn't I fall in love with it sooner? I did get the small travel size of it, which is much cheaper, and I'm so glad I did, because y'all, it takes me years to get through highlighters. I don't think I've ever used up one whole highlighter in my entire life, and so I'm glad that they have these small sizes so you can actually, first of all, save money, and then, you know, get to try out the product without spending so much, but not wasteful, not having, you know, junking up your makeup drawer with the same highlighter for 10 years that you never get to go through, you know what I mean? But look at that beautiful, just flawless, natural glow. I'm obsessed. So this is the Hourglass Ambient Light Powder in the color Dim Light. Next couple products are some products that you guys have seen me use in a few different videos, probably several videos during the month of April, which is some Dior products, you guys. So I got the Dior Forever Glow Veil Primer during the sale, you guys, and I have really been enjoying this primer. It just really delivers a beautiful, almost opalescent glow to the skin, and whatever foundation or skin tint you put on top, it just amplifies that glow if it's already a glowy foundation or skin tint. But if not, it gives the product an actual glow. Like, look at that. And so imagine putting your actual skin tint on top, that beautiful glow you would get. Now, one thing about it is that what I would recommend when you're using these sort of opalescent and glowy primers for the skin, don't go in with a full coverage foundation and then a full coverage powder on top like that. You really lose the benefit of seeing that glow through it. When you do that, you cover it all the way up. Now, you probably could mix your full coverage product with the primer, like do like a pump of your foundation and a pump of the primer and mix it, but to cover it up with a full coverage product, it just sort of defeats the purpose, and to me sort of wastes your money. You might as well just use a regular primer that doesn't have a glow to it, because you're not going to see the glow through all of those full coverage products. So I find that this works best with a more sheer to medium coverage product on top, you guys, and it is so gorgeous. You can absolutely see it when you go outside outside into the light, it just looks so beautiful and pearly. It's just the perfect product for the spring and summer. So another product on my favorites is going to be the Dior Forever Natural Nude Foundation. You guys, this one is really, really good. It's more of a sheer to medium coverage product, but it's beautiful. It gives you a healthy glow. This one is a little bit more sheer than the Healthy Glow one, and it delivers a different type of glow than the Too Faced Healthy Glow, but it's more lightweight and it looks a little bit more nude. With this product, you're not going to get this type of coverage that you can get with the Too Faced Born This Way, but this is really good. I've been enjoying it. I've been actually pairing it with the Forever Veil, and these two together just look so gorgeous on the skin. I'm absolutely obsessed. And last, you guys, is a couple of fragrances. So this fragrance, Fame by Paco Rabanne, this was on my March favorites. I'm throwing it on my April favorites as well. It's just beautiful. So during March favorites, I actually got the travel size because I knew when the sale rolled around, I'd be picking up the full size version of it. But you guys, it smells so good, so clean. It's perfect for the spring. It's sweet. It smells a little bit coconutty, even though there's no coconut in here. It's actually mango, a little vanilla in there, which makes it sort of smell like coconut. Just very clean and fresh and a little sweet, and you just smell so feminine and just so beautiful. It's the perfect everyday scent for the spring. And the last product on my favorites, which is another fragrance, is going to be the Tom Ford fragrance in Soleil Blanc. This is another beautiful fragrance that's perfect for the spring. Similar to Paco Rabanne, it almost has like a coconutty undertone to it. It's fresh, kind of like Paco Rabanne. It's a little sweet. They're very similar. These two are similar. Let me tell you the difference. First of all, the price. Tom Ford is like 3 or 4 times the price. This is a very pricey fragrance. I did get it in the travel size. This is the 10 ml, which retails for about $80. This is the full size, which is the 1.7 ounce, the 1 ounce or something like that, or 1.7. That's around $110, I want to say. So this is more pricey, but for a reason. When you spray this, it definitely gives luxury and money. If you're looking for that perfect everyday scent, similar to Paco Rabanne, something perfect for the spring that's very fresh, uplifting, a little sweet, very feminine at the same time, and you just smell very clean and put together and pretty, but throw on a smell like money at the same time on top of all of that, this is it. So the difference is this smells more luxe. There's something in this that just gives it a more upscale luxury feel to it, and you just get your whole life with it. Over this weekend, I did go to the casino. And you guys know, if you know anything about casinos, they can be a bit smoky and boozy in there. And for me, this was perfect just to go in the casino and just smell very fresh and uplifting and a little sweet. It's not so loud that it'll be offensive, but when you walk by somebody, they're going to smell you and they're going to turn like, oh, okay. She smells sweet, soft, and expensive. That's what Tom Ford Soleil Blanc is giving, and I've been obsessed. So that's it for my April favorites. I've really been enjoying these products. I've been super excited about the things that I've got during April, and I'm still testing them out. So be on the lookout for more trying new makeup videos. The makeup look that I'm wearing today will be up tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. I'll have it up early in the morning. Comment down below and let me know, what are those products that you've been obsessed with in the month of April? Every single thing that I use today will be linked down below in the description box. Keep in mind that they are affiliate links, so I do want to encourage you to purchase through those links because I'll receive a small commission on some of those products listed in the description box. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. Don't you step to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.